Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to create beautiful infographics using Google NotebookLM. In the last couple of days, Google NotebookLM has released two wonderful features. One of them is infographics. So in this video, I am going to show how to create infographics, which will be very useful for you, especially if you are working in business or in IT environments or as a student or whatever your role is. You can create beautiful infographics using this method. So the very first thing that you need to do is go to notebooklm.google.com, click on create new here. Once you click on it, you have an option to upload sources. So if you have a document ready with you, it could be Word document or PDF document or any other document, you can upload them directly here. Or let's say, for example, if you have some text ready with you, and you want to create infographics using that text, all you need to do is click on copy text here. Okay, and so this is the information that I have, and I want to create beautiful infographics through this information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all these details. Okay, I'm going to copy all these details. This can be anything. This can be about IT, or this can be about physics, biology, or business topic, whatever it is. Just copy them and go back to Google Notebook LM and paste them here. Okay, so your article or information is pasted here, and click on insert. So once you click on insert, it is going to create a notebook now. Okay, it is going to take a few seconds and it is going to create a notebook now. See, if you see now, the notebook has been created here. Now, to create infographics, all you need to do is, if you see here, there is an option called infographic. All you need to do is click on infographic. See, I clicked infographic here, and it is generating infographics. So this is going to take maybe 30 seconds or 1 minute. After 1 minute, infographic document will be created. So let's wait and see how it goes. I just wanted to inform you that this is a very new feature. This got released maybe few days ago. So if you go to Notebook LM and if you don't see this feature, then you have to wait some time until Google releases it for your account. Okay, so you have to have some patience with this. Alright, I think it is almost done. Especially if you are working in finance or accounting, or maybe you are handling some business projects, especially when you are dealing with numbers and things like that, if you use this feature, it will be really helpful for you. I mean, it is going to create wonderful infographics, and you don't have to use any other tools. You don't have to take a lot of time, especially if you need to give some presentation in front of people, or if you want to give some details about something to your clients or customers or whoever it is. This feature is going to help you a lot. Okay, if you see now, the infographics is ready. So all you need to do is just click on it. Once you click on it, it is going to show the diagram. See how beautiful the diagram looks like. It's such a beautiful infographic. See, it has got everything with a small document, with a small article that we have used to create this wonderful infographic diagram. See, so if you are giving some PowerPoint presentation, or if you're delivering some information to your clients for business, all you need to do is give the information in Notebook LM. It could be a Word document or whatever it is, or text, and then it is going to create these wonderful infographics. See, the state of modern IT, a snapshot in numbers. 90%, 94% of businesses use cloud services. DevOps teams deploy code 30x faster. Cloud computing used by 90% of tech teams. Open roles grew 350% in last decade. So it is such a wonderful infographics that you can use. Before I end this video, I want to inform you that it is not just PDF document or text information that you can use to create infographics. Let's say, for example, if you want to use a YouTube video, let's say, for example, you like a wonderful YouTube video, okay? All you need to do is copy the link of that YouTube video and go back to NotebookLM. Okay, let's go back to NotebookLM and let's say for example you want to create a new notebook here and go down and you see YouTube here, and all you need to do is paste the YouTube link here, click on insert. Okay, once you click on insert, the notebook will be created using this YouTube link, and all you need to do is click on infographics once again, and it is going to create a new infographic using this YouTube video as reference. Okay, using this YouTube video as reference. So basically you can create infographics through a Word document, PDF document, or text information, or you can also use a website or also a YouTube link, a YouTube link to create infographics. So let me show how this infographic looks like with this particular YouTube video. Alright, if you see now, the infographics is ready for this particular video. This video is about how to troubleshoot issues, in Citrix. So I'm going to click on it and see how it looks like. Let's say you are working for AWS or Google Cloud or Citrix, whatever it is, and if you want to create infographics, you can create wonderful infographics like this. If you see now, it has created a beautiful infographics. A quick guide to troubleshoot Citrix slowness. Identify the user complaint. Log into Citrix director. In the session details, locate the latency value. If it is greater than 250 milliseconds, high value indicates a connection issue. So it has given a wonderful diagram. Okay, beautiful. I'm going to close this. So before I end this video, I just want to inform you that at any point in time, before you create infographics, if you want to customize it according to your requirement, if you want to customize the infographics according to your requirement, maybe you want the infographics to look in square format or portrait format or landscape format, you can select it here. Maybe you want a different language, not English, you want maybe German or Spanish or Espanol or any other regional language. You have so many languages here, so you can select according to your requirement. And also describe the infographic you want to create. At any point in time, if you want to give an additional prompt or customize it according to your requirement, you can also mention the details here. See, something like use a blue color theme and highlight the 3 key statistics. Okay, so this is a customized prompt that you can use before creating. Let's say for example you are uploading 50 pages PDF file, 50 pages or 100 pages PDF file, but you don't want infographics for 100 pages document. Maybe you want infographics for only one specific topic. So mention that, okay, I need infographics only for this particular topic. Maybe let's say for example virtual private cloud. And then what happens is it is going to create infographics only for virtual private cloud out of those 100 pages. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.